Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I am doing a Valentine's Day eyeshadow tutorial. Let me tell you, I love the way this look turned out. This might be my favorite eyeshadow tutorial ever. I'm very proud of myself. I just love this look. So I am using this $10 Amazon eyeshadow palette. Has a ton of different colors. The quality is not bad at all, guys. It's really good. For $10, this is a great palette, so I highly recommend this. I will have it on in my Amazon link. I have it in my storefront. So you guys know I always like to start off with like a little light base. So this is just a light pale pink. You can kind of skip this step, honestly. Here, I'm going into this bright pink. And at first I was like, oh my god, is this going to be like patchy, pigmented, like chalky? No, it is not at all, guys. This shade is super pigmented. You know I like to build up my eyeshadows. I could have gone ham with this color like right off the bat, but I didn't. I always build up my shades just in case I mess up, you know, it's easier to fix. So I built up this shade and look how pretty this shade is. It's not patchy, it's not dry. I just wanted to deepen this up a little bit, so I took that like brownie red and just like I did maybe like 2 coats of this. 2 coats. I did 2. You guys know what I want to say. I layered this up twice. That's not it either. You guys get me though. Oh, just so you know, if I do sound nasally, I am sick, but I feel a lot better, let me tell you. So here I'm cutting the crease, and this is how I cut the crease. I heard someone on TikTok say, we don't cut our creases like this anymore, but for me, this is what I do. It works for me. And I have hooded eyes, so this is the best way for me to do it. I just put the concealer on like right at the top of my lash line, look up, it provides me the guide, and then I just saturate the tip of my brush so that it just glides across my lid and I can cut the crease like seamlessly. So that's what I'm doing here to this other eye, and you're using concealer, so God forbid you mess up or whatever, conceal it, redo the eyeshadow, you'll be fine. I know cut creases are a little scary, but once you practice them, you will get better and better and better. So I took that Urban Decay eyeshadow brush, soaked up like the excess, and here I'm taking this light shimmery pink and putting that all over my lid. This color was really pretty too. I didn't want anything too dark, and this one was just perfect. The shimmer shades are really pretty too. I've used this palette multiple times. This is the first time I'm showing it on camera though, like on YouTube. So I didn't know what liner I wanted to do. I was like, do I match my crease or do I do like a red liner? And I did both. So I started off with the pink, and then I kind of knew I wanted to do red. This eyeliner is by ColourPop. It's on their website. I'll link it down below for you guys if you want it. I also did like a Christmas look with it. So it's always good to have a couple like colorful eyeliners just in case you want to get a little spicy, a little zesty, do something new. So yeah, I just did my liner like that, and then I did do concealer next. This is the Hourglass Airbrush concealer, and I cleaned up my eyeliner first, and then I went ahead and blended everything out underneath the eye. So yeah, it's important to clean up your edge first. And of course, using my powder puff from Amazon, this is a game changer. Just listen to me, guys, it's a game changer. Get it on Amazon. That's also on my storefront. My under eyes have never looked better, okay? So doing the same thing to this eye, and then what are we gonna do next, Katie? Oh, these are my Ruffle lashes by Kiss. Ah, so pretty! Oh my god, I wanted to clear my throat so bad during that voiceover, but I was doing so well, so I didn't. So now I feel so much better. So for the lower lash line, I just took the bright pink that I used and just blended it across the lower lash line. Nothing crazy. I didn't use 2 shades, nothing. 1 shade across the lower lash line, done. I am so proud of this look, guys. I think it's so pretty, and it was so easy. I feel like cut creases also make my eyes look bigger than they actually are. Like, I have super small eyes, and I feel like it looks like I kind of have big eyes. No. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, if you want this palette, you can get it by Valentine's Day if you have Amazon Prime. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this look because I really like it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!